Hello everyone, I'm back again. So I'll be doing an unboxing for a printer, HP Deskjet 2623. So this is it. I just bought it from Good Guys. So this is a Deskjet printer, and 2623, that's the model, and it's a wireless printer, so you can use your mobile phone to share some pictures, some files, and print it. You can also do a scan and copy. So like almost all the versatile printers out there have this capability to print, scan, and copy. So I think that's their selling point for it. So let's start with the unboxing. So let's just have this. Let's do a simple cut. I have my cutter with me. Okay. Alright, so what's included are, let's see if I can make I hope this is the correct side. So what's included are the first, we have this, these are the cartridges. So we have here the HP 65 N9J94A. This is for the black cartridge, and we have here the color cartridge, tricolor cartridge. We have the power cable, and we have some what do you call this? I think some caution for the cartridge. Okay, and what else we have? Some. So this is the printer. So it's on the wrong side, so I'll just turn it back again. So I'm going to move this slowly. Oops, you don't want to break this printer during the unboxing. It's a no-no. Okay, so I'll just remove this from the box. So this is it after I remove from the box. So it's quite big compared to my laptop, my 27-inch monitor, but yeah, since this is a scanner, printer, and a copy machine, so it has a 3-in-1 capability. So I think the size is pretty decent for this type of machine. So let me just I don't want to scratch it. I'll just use some pen to remove the plastic coating around it. I think this is the time that we'll use the cutter, but you just have to be careful not to scratch your brand new printer. So that's it. So I opened this one. So this is the scanner part, and I'll just remove totally the plastic covering, and I'll just do a, so this is the, oh, there you go. I think these are just the way to make it stable when they're doing the packaging. So they put some tape around moving parts. So there you go. Okay, so let me just remove this. Yeah, so this is just a way to prevent the cartridge holder to move around when they're shipping it. Okay, so now let's try this power cable. I'll just have it ready. Done. And obviously the outlet, just plug it at the back, and then just have this one connected. So before that, let's first unpack this cartridge. So this is the black one. There you go. And they have some protective covering, so I'll just remove it and have it ready. I'm so extra careful not to touch it, so I'll just have it ready here, and I'll open the other one. The other one should be the color one, the tricolor. Just carefully remove this. Okay. And now I'll first plug it, because if you can see, let me just put it down. If you can see, the cartridge holder is on the side, and though I can move it, I just want the machine to move the cartridge by itself in the middle when I plug it in. So let's just plug this thing on and turn it on. Then let's see what will happen with the cartridge alignment. What if I turn it on? So I turn this thing on, so it doesn't have the cartridge yet. I'll just do this here. If you can see, that's the cartridge already. So I'll try to put it inside. Let me first check if it matters which one to put, if the color should be on the left and the black should be on the right. So the color should be on the left and the monochrome or the black should be on the right side. So that's what I think it is. So let's just put it here. So this is the black one. Okay, it sounds to be sensitive, but I don't think it is, so let's just be careful. Okay, so let's just put this thing on. Just be careful and just wait for it to snap. There you go. Just ensure to hear the snap, so it's already there. And make sure that it doesn't wobble, so they are all in perfect place. So just put it back, and I think this is the part wherein you will put the paper. So I think that's it. So the next thing that I'll do is try to do a printout or a scan or a copy. Cool, but everything is already in place. The cartridge are already in their position inside the cartridge holder, and yeah, the paper in is already up. The paper out section is already here, so I'll just move this at the back. And we have here, I don't know, I think this will catch the paper coming out. Okay, so I'll just quickly get a paper and let's see. So now let's start with the setting it up. So let's first try to use the app that will be used for this. So you need to use the 123.hp.com, or you can just search for the HP Smart app. So it's available in Play Store. Yeah, so I already installed it earlier, so I'll just have to open it, and then hope you can see this, and add printer, and you just have to add printer here. So if you can see, there's this blue blinking light here. That means that it has this wireless connection active. So just select it, and now I just have to type in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I was able to connect to the home Wi-Fi. So now it's already connecting. So after you input the credentials or the password, we'll go to the screen where it says connecting, printer found, printer prepared, and now it's obtaining an IP address. So just wait for it. So I was able to successfully connect it. Just have to continue. I think this is more like you need to register it. So let me just do it. So I have completed my sign up. So now let's go with the installation of ink. So I already done that. Open the ink door. Yeah, I think this is just a step-by-step process, so we already did this. And then close the ink door. So we just have to close this back once it's already there. Okay. So it has detected that the ink is already installed, and I have closed the door. So let's just click on continue. And now let's load some paper. So I have here so I'm using this A4 white copy. So I bought this in Officeworks. Two pieces. Let me see if I'm doing this correctly. Yeah. So just pull up to reveal the paper guides. Okay, so you'll just, once you remove this, there's this item, you just have to move it to the left. So this is like a paper guide. Okay, just all right. So paper has been loaded. And adjust the guides. So I just did. Okay, so I'll just adjust this to the left. Oh, it's too much. There you go. Now it's done. Pull the open. So I'll just have to open this. Okay. Let's move back a bit. There you go. Now let's do continue. So it's now registering to my account. So just remember that I created an account for this one. So you'll just enter your first name, surname, email address, and your password. So I did that earlier. So it's required for a plugin. So let's just do a continue. And just install this one. Okay, so I think this is a requirement for their app. So now it's printing. Okay, so it's like a congratulation thing. Cool. So this is our first printout from HP. So job well done. And we have here, so let's just click open. Let's print another one. Just allow. And now let's try to print this thing. Let's print one. Alright, cool. So we got this. So now let's try with the scan. Let's try. So we were able to print it. Now let's try scanning. So let's click on printer scan. Now we need to open this one. So totally I'm controlling it through my mobile device. So let's try doing a scan. Let's have some sample. So this is just a sample, so let's try scanning this. And let's put this in the glass. And so it's already inside. Now let's try scanning it. Now after scan, so it is taking time, but at least it's trying to do its job. So now it was able to scan. So this is the scanned copy that we have. So we can save it as a JPEG or as a PDF. So if you save it, so and it looks like it's the other way around. So I think you need to have it. This is the bottom part and this is the top part. But anyway, it's okay. You can just auto rotate it. So I was able to save it. Yeah. So yeah, I can save it as PDF or save it as JPEG. Now you can also share the document through, this is the scan copy, and you can just put the destination and the subject, and there you go. That's it. And what else do we need to check? So we were able to print, we were able to scan, and I think copy is just the same as because the logic of copying is that it will first try to scan what you inserted here, and it will just copy and print it back again. So I think that's all. So hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you around. Bye.